Your parents, your family people.
For what now?
Are you mad?
Yeah, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. Alright, let me take you back how I got myself into this situation.
Baby, sweet baby, sweet baby. I'm fine. You're too
Enjoy
sweet.
yourself.
You're too sweet.
Oh, okay, I'm about leaving.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, now make I just transfer your money. Give you that.
No, now, my love, don't do that. Don't worry. My love. Yes, no.
What are you saying?
Stop.
What is inside?
Don't worry about the money.
Wait first. I carry you. You price me 200,000. Mama, what about the money?
I said you shouldn't worry.
Run.
Don't worry.
For this
Not all
Port
girls are like that.
For this Port Harcourt.
As I'm not here, you speak
Your account and
Babe, do you know
everything.
what? Last night that you were sleeping, I transferred you 2 million naira from my account. So check.
You say what you say?
I transferred you 2 million naira.
2 million.
Yes, baby. Check.
What is it? What? You will come. Oh God.
Check.
Not true.
It's okay.
See? So now all girls are like that.
Wait first. You transfer me 2 million.
Yes, my love. My love.
What's what you do for here?
Are you expecting someone?
No, I didn't expect anybody.
My God will punish you.
What's going on here?
My God will punish you. You expect somebody. You must expect somebody.
Baby, calm down.
Hey, you must expect somebody. No.
My dad.
So this is the guy you're talking
Yes,
about.
yes.
And you people,
All night. All night. He turned me upside down.
upside down. Hey.
It's me that he turned upside down.
Upside down.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Don't close this. Don't sit down. Have you called your parents, your family people?
For what now?
Are you mad? Are you mad? No. Are you mad? Today, you marry. Official traditional.
Married.
Traditional.
Marriage.
All these record boys then. If you not actually you don't know person, so example. Una no go learn. Una no go.
Papa, I love
Una no go
you.
learn. You foolish fool.
I love you.
Traditional.
Marriage.
Call your family people. Call your father.
Your
Call your.
father.
I don't get papa.
Come on, go that side. Go that side. Go and stand there.
I don't get papa.
Sit down, baby.
Papa mo baby. Call your mother. Your mother. Call your family people. Call them. Everybody. Marriage is here.
I'm getting married.
Oh yeah, come. You sent him the 2 million.
Yeah, I sent him
You sent him. Oh. What are we talking about?
I'm getting married.
Yeah, married man. What are we waiting for now?
I'm very schoolly.
In-law, question. In-law, question. Call your people.